Today, I want to talk about a method for turning belief into lived reality without abandoning yourself when it gets uncomfortable. Most people think belief alone changes their life, but belief often collapses the moment discomfort shows up. And this is how belief becomes reality, not in theory, but in real life. So let's go back to Napoleon Hill. He's the author of Think and Grow Rich. He wrote, "Believe and your belief will create the fact." But here's what most people miss, and this is step one. Belief only creates the fact if you break from the internal discomfort required to act as if it's already true. That's the gap. That's where people fall off. And this is what I teach my clients. Belief is not optional. Belief is the beginning. You choose the identity before the evidence appears. So we've all been doing it backwards. We want to see it first before we believe it. But belief alone doesn't complete the circle. It's really what activates it. Step two, decision protects your belief. So you don't need more belief. You need more calmness of mind and focus for the emotional discomfort that belief creates before it becomes the fact. When you adopt a new belief, you immediately feel a lot of emotions, doubt that you can do it, awkwardness because it's different, impatience because you want it now, or fear of being wrong. Most people interpret that as a sign the belief isn't real. It's actually proof that it is. So your committed decision allows belief to stay alive long enough to harden into reality. Step three, conscious choosing aligns the identity. Choosing isn't about force. It's about behavior that matches your belief, even when it feels unnatural. You don't act to get the identity, you act to confirm it. Every time you show up while uncomfortable, you signal to the subconscious, this belief is safe. Keep building it. So step four, this is where belief becomes embodiment. The nervous system stabilizes. The behavior normalizes. The identity locks in. The fact appears not as magic, but as inevitability. Step five, expansion restarts the circle of belief. Once a belief becomes your baseline, your mind naturally reaches for the next edge. That's why this is a circle. Growth never ends. Abandonment is what stops it. So there are three core laws of this method. Law number one, belief creates the fact, decision keeps it alive. If you quit at discomfort, belief never has time to materialize. Law number two, discomfort is the signal, not the stop sign. The moment it feels uncomfortable is the moment the belief is activating. Law number three, identity is built in the gap. The gap between belief and evidence is where self-trust is forged. So if this resonated with you, then write in the comments below, I am ready. Belief creates the fact, but a committed decision determines whether you stay long enough to see it. Have an amazing day, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.